Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an easy version of a Puerto Rican style Tres Leches cake. You don't need to be an experienced baker to be able to make this popular Latin American dessert. Stay tuned to find out how. For this Tres Leches cheat recipe, I'll be using this Betty Crocker Super Moist Yellow Cake Mix. You can use any brand that you like. Now I'll start by preparing the cake mix per packaging instructions. While my cake is baking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my milk mixture. I'll use 1 can of full-fat evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 3/4 cups of dairy milk. Any percentage of dairy milk is fine. I've been able to use anywhere from skim milk to whole milk with no issues. So after I've mixed my milks together, it's time to add my extracts. This is really going to help enhance the flavor of the cake. I'll use about 4 to 5 capfuls of almond extract, and after that, I'll follow it with about 1 teaspoon or 2 of vanilla. Right after my cake has finished baking, and while it is still hot, I'll use a knife to make various cuts in my cake. This will allow the milk mixture to better absorb into the cake. So I try to focus mainly in the center and just a bit on the outer parts of the cake, since the milk mixture will naturally fall to the sides when I pour it on top. Next, I will loosely cover my cake with foil, and I'll let my cake chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. You want to make sure it's nice and cold before you frost it with whipped cream, because if not, the whipped cream will melt. So once the cake is chilled, it is time to frost the cake with whipped topping. You can go ahead and use your favorite whipped topping. Me, I'm going to use one that I got at Aldi. And if you'd prefer to make your own whipped cream, you can certainly do that too. After I frosted my cake with the whipped topping, I'll lightly sprinkle some cinnamon on top. After giving it a light sprinkle of cinnamon, I'm going to finish it off by adding some maraschino cherries. So here's the finished product. This cake came out so good. And it was actually a birthday present for my sister-in-law. And after I gave it to her later on, she messaged me and said that it came out really good. So if you tried this recipe, please let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share this video with any family or friends who would love to learn how to make this easy Tres Leche cake recipe. Until next time.